Welcome to Whippoorwill Holler. I'm Miss Lori and this is Mr. Brown. We live in the hills of Arkansas. We love the Lord. Keepers of the old way, but accept some of the new. We love to cook and we love to eat. We love to garden. It's in our blood. It's how we stay sustainable and fill our pantry. We do a lot of canning and preserving. We live a sustainable life. We love our family. We work hard. And every once in a while, we like to dance. So y'all join us. Good enough to know that I absolutely love side salads, cold salads. I think they're the star of the whole meal myself. Like I've said before in other videos where I was making pasta salads and stuff for either Memorial Day or 4th of July, I always say how they just need to shine a little bit, because I tell you, they're my favorite part. All the side dishes. Not that I don't like a good hot dog or hamburger or barbecue chicken or ribs, but the sides, to me, they're the star of the show. Just a while back, I made a video making macaroni salad. And a lot of y'all commented and wanted me to do my pea salad. Now, this recipe is a family recipe. It goes back many years. And it is a very simple, easy. You probably have what you need right there with you. And it's one of them dishes that you can even add a little bit of something else to it. But I like my pea salad very simple, just the way Grandma and my mother-in-law always made it. It was no fuss, and it was always the best pea salad you ever ate. And it just always went so good with whatever we was eating. It didn't matter if it was Thanksgiving or the 4th of July or what day it was. It could be a Sunday dinner. And my mother-in-law made the best pea salad. And that's what we're going to be making today. And like I said, it's going to be so simple, but yet so good. I'm going to start out with, I've got 24, well, I had two 12-ounce bags of frozen green peas. Now, you can use canned green peas if you want to, but I prefer the frozen, and you just thaw them out. That's all you do. I just thaw mine out in the refrigerator for a day or two. And to me, I just think they hold up better than canned green peas, and I just think they taste fresher too. But that's just all up to your taste. So there's 24 ounces of green peas here, and that's going to make a pretty good sized bowl of pea salad. And then I'm going to take, I've got 4 hard-boiled eggs that I've chopped up so gracefully there. And I've got, either one big large tomato. I think this was a medium and then a small tomato. And then I've got a small onion chopped up here. Now, I always put a little bit of celery in my pea salad, but I don't have any. And my celery out in the high tunnel, it bolted a while back. And I dehydrated what I had and put it up. So no celery in this pea salad. But you would cut up either a pretty good sized stalk of celery and chop it up and put it in here. Some people don't even like celery. I like the crunch, so I always like putting celery in it. We got salt and pepper, and we've got a half a cup of mayonnaise. And we're just going to dump it all in there. I've got several recipes from last year and the year before making sides for, I think it was either the 4th or Memorial Day. I can't remember. But it may have even been when we were all quarantined and we had to spend the 4th at home away from family. And I made baked beans and potato salad. And me and Danny done that, and we just sit down and talk to y'all. So If y'all haven't seen that video, I'm going to put the link below because it's some of the best potato salad and baked beans. They're so good. So we got our tomatoes, our eggs, and our onions in here. I'm going to put some salt. I'm going to stir that up. Because your frozen peas don't have any salt in them, no seasoning. Since I stirred it up, I'm going to put another little pinch. Probably not quite a teaspoon. You could put some red bell pepper in here, but I'm making it, this is how my family and Danny's family always make pea salad. Now I'm going to put some pepper in here. I want to show y'all my little pepper grinder. Now I got this off Amazon several years ago because I just love little gadgets like this. And it's not real big. You can see how big it is. It's got a little opening right here. And you put your peppercorns in there. And this comes off just like that, top and bottom. I can't remember if this is a Turkish pepper grinder or if it was from India. I can't remember. But like I said, I may put the link to this down in my description box in case y'all just even wanting to just look at it, because I love this little grinder. And you just take it, you can work it back and forth, or you can go around with it. And what it does is it grinds that up really fine, and you take the top off, and your pepper's right inside of there. I just love it. I don't use it all the time, but sometimes I'll grab it when I'm cooking. And so I'm going to put at least a teaspoon of black pepper in here. Whoops. I'm going to stir that up good. I like showing y'all my little gadgets. I've got quite a few of them. I need to just have a video on all my gadgets. Okay, so I don't have celery, so we're not going to put that in. I do have a half a cup of mayo. Duke's mayo. And we're going to put that in. This is just so simple. And to me, a pea salad is so refreshing. I have videos, I'm going to try to get all them links and put them down below of some of my cold salads. I think I've got a broccoli salad and some different ones that if I put the link down below, y'all can go back to them pretty easy, and if you're wanting to look at those recipes. So now all I got to add is about a cup of cheese. Now, if you're wanting to bring this over the top, like I always say, gild the lily a little bit, then whenever, to me, this needs to sit overnight, or at least most of the day before you serve it. But you can fry you up some crispy bacon, and right before you serve it, crumble that bacon up on top. Be so good. But in my household, in Danny's, we ate bacon for breakfast. We couldn't just use it for whatever we wanted to. It was mainly for breakfast. So I'm going to put, that is Miss Lori's measurement for a cup of shredded cheese. We're just going to stir this cheese in here. And if you want to, you can add you just a few more tomatoes. These tomatoes come out of my garden. And I used what I had on the counter. We've been eating them things every day. BLT, hamburgers. Danny cooked us a steak last night, and we had fresh green beans from the garden and fresh tomatoes for the side. It was so good. Now, after you get this mixed up good, you just want to clean the side up a little bit. And then Danny's mom always cut up just a little extra tomato and garnish the top with it. But that right there is your old-fashioned pea salad. Very easy, very simple, very good. The recipe will be down in the description box. Don't make you some for this weekend, 4th of July. I think it'll be a hit. A great 4th of July side dish. So Paul's been digging his potatoes, and they've done really good. And I've been going in behind them and gathering them up, putting them in the potato basket. These are Kennebec, Kennebec potatoes. And these have done really good, and they seem to do, they're just a really overall good potato. You get a good yield out of them, and they taste really good too. They hold up good. So this has become one of my favorite potatoes that he plants. I like the little bitty potatoes too to put in with green beans and stuff. He planted these, and you can see I've got all different sizes in there. It grows a medium, about a medium potato. They don't get real huge. And that's what they look like. But the soil, he just planted them in compost and leaves, and they just done really good. And you can see this is what he's dug up so far, and that's what he got out of it. And he's still got more to dig up and for us to put up. So I hope y'all like this video. Y'all come back and see us in a few days. We love y'all, and God bless.